And like you are from advertisement company, so you know how to pitch, like, so still like, how it is hard to convince people to like support for this initiative, like in initial days of Antaran Foundation, how you like encourage mentors to come here or company to tie or funding things.
So in advertising also I worked in research, so pitching does not come naturally to me. But I don't view as anything as actually I won't say that we are pitching, but the way I've always looked at it is that how do you communicate what is the students need to people who can help them, right? It's like a bridge. तो यहाँ पे भी स्टूडेंट्स और इंडस्ट्री के बीच हम ब्रिज बना रहे हैं, और दूसरी तरफ हम वही ब्रिज between the organization and people who have the resources, right? So it's about bridge building. I look at it really as building bridges, and that has always motivated me to get the resources that were required, because you just, and I've always believed कि जो भी मदद चाहिए आप मांगोगे तो कहीं ना कहीं मिल जाता है, right? So I've always looked at it as the support that's required, you know, to help these young people, and people want to help. There is no एक ऐसा इंसान मैं अभी तक नहीं मिली हूँ जिनको लगता है मुझे मदद नहीं करना है या मुझे किसी का सपोर्ट नहीं बनाना है, या I want to be able to, you know, actually I want to be an enabler. हम सब यही चाहते हैं कि हम enablers बन जाएं. So that's the way I've looked at it. So it's not felt like I need to do something additional or extra.
So attitude factors that help you to like, so if you have a belief system and that belief system convince other to be part of this initiative.